to my channel. It is your girl Brandie Channail coming to you with another video, and y'all, I'm so excited about this one. We have something new for you today, and I'm super excited because if you've followed me on this channel for any amount of time, or you know, obviously if you can see, I am a black woman, and so I love to spotlight and highlight black owned businesses. I love to empower other women, and I have something for you today that is from a black owned business, and that is super exciting for me. Also, I've been on a journey in my life to be more intentional about things, and so I'm trying to write more, read more, and so this speaks specifically to those areas in my life in which I want to improve upon. So today I have for you the journal junk box. Y'all, this is so cool. If you're like me and you're just now starting out and you're getting into journaling, or you're getting into stationery and things like that, I think this is going to be ideal for you. This box comes with 8 to 10 items in it monthly that just speak to self-care. They speak to creativity and all of those things that they say you can get from journaling. They do say that it is therapeutic, so those are all the things that I'm looking to capture in my life. I want to gain some peace. I want to gain an outlet, and so that I can, you know, express myself in different ways. And so this is exciting for me. I'm excited because it's a black owned brand. It's a woman. Hello, it's Women's History Month. And just because it's cool, and I love stationery, I love little cute stuff, I love, like, I have journals upon journals, I buy all the things. It's just implementing them, making sure that I'm using them, and so now I'm being intentional about that, and so I'm happy to bring this to you and share with you. Of course, you guys know I will have everything linked down below in the description box, the description box for you to check out if you are interested. First and foremost, let's get into this packaging. Y'all, I love it. I love it. It's so cute. It speaks to exactly what this box is. Journaling, all things cute, all things sassy. I'm a super girly girl, so this right here is right up my alley. It's pink. It's so well packaged. You know, the journal junk box on the side here, I think the packaging is great. I think she did an amazing job. This is what it came in, and it is marked fragile, so I do love that. And I think that the reason, in my mind anyway, the reason that you would send it in this is because this box is something you can re-gift or use or repurpose. It's so cute. It's so pretty. So I love that. I'm excited to get into it. Let's see what goodies are in this box. If you're interested too, keep on watching. So as I mentioned, this is a monthly subscription. It's $53.95 a month, I believe, for the full big size box, which is the 8 to 10 items. And then they also have some smaller options that are available for you that'll have some smaller things in it and a journal. So you have different options. Of course, like I said, I will have the website linked down below for you to check out if you're interested. I just think it's really cool. You have options to do like monthly subscriptions, yearly subscriptions, and of course I think you get a discount if you do like the yearly subscription, or whatever the case may be. So and it is billed to you monthly, so I think that that's super exciting. And yeah, let's get into the box because I want to know what's in here. I'm so thrilled. Oh, something fell out. Okay, so this is Meet Me in Paris. That's March's theme, which I think is super cool. It says, okay, so this is a box that tells me what's in, this is a card that tells me what's in my box. Kind of like BoxyCharm or Ipsy, it'll, you know, kind of describe what's in here, and it looks like it gives you pricing as well. So I really like that because it kind of shows you what value you're getting. If this box is $53.95, what value am I getting in here with these items to make sure that I'm getting my money's worth? So I love that, and it's just really well done. Very nicely done. There's also another box, what is this? Another card in here. It's just a thank you card, and it says, your support makes my heart happy. Your order made our day. We hope your package makes yours. Super cute. I'm in love and impressed with the packaging thus far. I think she's done a great job there. So here is the inside of the box. Again, the packaging is impeccable. You got these beautiful stickers that say thank you. I'm gonna try not to tear it up and be ugly about it. Okay, so now that I'm in the box, I've got some more. This is very well packed and it's tight, so things aren't moving around and all of that. I really appreciate that. The packaging is really great. I love how secure this is. I'm just gonna dig in and see what I come out with. First thing is first. This is bubble wrapped. So this is interesting. Let's see what we got here. I love like subscriptions, like the exciting part of opening up stuff and getting new things and just seeing what it is. Ooh, this feels like it's a little mug. Ooh, it's a teacup. Oh, it's a teacup. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness, look at that. This is a really pretty teacup. Oh, y'all, I love girly, dainty stuff like this. So baby, this I love. OMG. And it was packaged very well in the bubble wrap and all of that. Love that. Let's see what else is in here. That's probably why the thing said fragile on it, huh? Duh, Brandie, duh. Something else bubble wrapped in here. Let's see what's that. Oh, it's a saucer that goes with it. OMG. Girl, I feel real. Y'all. What? Don't talk to me. I'm sipping my tea and living my best life. This is so beautiful. Like, look at that. Look at that. Oh, I love that. Okay, girl, I love that. Let me sit that right there. That is fabulous. Okay, so far so good. I'm very impressed. Okay, here's another. So these are double-ended highlighters and they're in pastel colors. Double-ended? Oh, so there's a ball tip and then there's a window chisel tip. That's cool. I love highlighters. I use these when I'm studying in my Bible, when I'm writing things down, when I'm writing in my planner. These are great. So love that. What else is in here? You get 8 to 10 items, so we're gonna see, child, what's in here. Ooh, baby, these are some little scissors. Can you see them? These are some little scissors. I feel like y'all are far away and I probably should like scoot you in closer, but these are some little scissors. They're fabulous. I will probably use these for my lashes. I ain't even gonna hold you. They're super sharp, but they are like so beautiful, like a rose gold. Ooh, I love that. I feel real bougie right now. I'm gonna be sipping my tea and being bougie with my, what are these? I think these are just like little stickers maybe. Let's see. But yeah, these are little stickers. Oh, these are little stickers that have little like macaroons and stuff like that. I think things that are related to the Paris theme. So that's really cool. You can put them in, you know, your journal, I guess. I suppose. So I want to make sure I don't miss anything out of this box because there's a lot in here. What is this? I feel like, let me look at this card so I'll know what all I've got because I don't want to miss anything. I'm impressed. Okay, so this is just a little, oh, these are some tags here with some string on the inside for you to tag something. That's cute. Everything is Parisian. Everything is Parisian themed. I like that. I think that's really cute. I don't know. I've never been to Paris. Never really had much of a desire to go, but just for the sake of saying that I went and that I had the experience, but this is kind of making me like, okay, girl, I might want to see what it's talking about because this stuff is so pretty and it just makes me feel real bourgeoisie. What is this? Girl. Okay, so here is a little spoon that can go in my little teacup. Oh, this is beautiful. It's like gold with like leaf stuff on the a leaf design on the end. This is gorgeous. Oh, I'm so obsessed. That's, baby, you can't tell me nothing. And what's this? Oh, this is a little biscuit to dip in your tea. This is a little biscuit to dip in your tea. And I love that it came in this little bag here. She has done this so well. This is amazing. I'm like super impressed and thoroughly, like, I'm impressed. I have several more things in here. Let's just be clear. I'm gonna just pull this all out because I feel like I don't want to miss nothing. Hold on, make sure. I just want to make sure I got everything because I feel like so far it's way more than 8 to 10 things. I mean, well, I guess 10 items is a lot, but I'm just making sure that I got everything. Let's see what we have so far. So I have afternoon tea in my floral teacup and saucer set for $12.99. That is not a bad price. That's really nice. Oh, and then so the teaspoon is a free gift, and the little caramelized biscuit cookie was a free gift. And then I have the vintage mini craft scissors, $8.99. The seal, the seal, a letter to a friend, round letter seals by Jaylee. Hold on. Are these my seals to my letter? Probably. Add color and personality to your journals with the double-ended highlighters. Those are $5.99. Let's see what else we got here. This is a card, and it has some wild raspberry hibiscus tea in it. This is so good. Oh my goodness. Okay, and then we have a memo pad, like a notebook. A memo pad notebook, and all of this stuff kind of like matches. I love that. And I'm always writing little notes and things like that, so this is really cute. Oh, okay, so here are the little seals for a letter, the letter to the friend. Super cute. And then this is a Unlock Adventure Key to My Heart gel pen. So this is a pen, but it looks like a key. And you just take the oh my goodness, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. And then last but certainly not least is your journal. And this has her own branding on it. So she makes these journals. I think that's dope. I love the way that it looks on the outside. It's super, super cute. You guys, I'm so impressed. I think this is something that is well worth your investment, or you splurging and treating yourself to something like this. Like I said, it's something that I'm trying to do to be more intentional about the way I spend time with myself and the way that I process my thoughts and all of that. So I'm super excited to have this. I'm very impressed with the quality, and I think that you'll really enjoy it, especially if you're a woman who's really into journaling. All the items are so cute, so perfect for me and the way that I will use them. I'm not gonna hold you though. My favorite, this is my favorite. Like this is my favorite because I'm a girly girl. I love little stuff like this, and this is blowing my mind. Like this is super cute. Like what? I love it. Ugh. Okay, so that is it, you guys, for this video. I wanted to bring that to you and share that with you because I'm super excited about it. You know, like I said, I'm all about intentionality in this place in my life because I have so many things going on all the time that I want to be intentional about the time that I spend with myself and processing my thoughts and all those things. So this is like A1. I think you'll be super pleased with it if you get it. All the things that you get in here for the price that you pay, I feel like it's definitely worth it. And the quality is A1. The packaging is A1. I think she did an amazing job. I'm so grateful for them for sending over this box for us. And yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget, I'll have everything linked down below for you to check out if you're interested in checking out the journal junk box. Like, Thank them again so much for sending over this box for us to look at and share with you guys. So yeah, please love on each other, be nice to each other, be kind to each other. It's so much harder to be mean than it is to be nice. I love y'all. I'll see you next time. Bye.